This is our 2-in-1 Decoiler straightener working together with the Servo feeder and shear for cut-to-length production. In operation, the coil is unwound, straightened, and continuously fed into the Servo feeder. The material is then cut to the preset length by the shear. The finished sheets are flat, uniform in size, and neatly cut, making them easier for stacking and further processing. The system is suitable for continuous cut-to-length feeding lines in metal processing production. It can be integrated with different downstream equipment according to production requirements.